Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing and testing a skincare gadget that I have been so curious about. It's the L&L Skin LED face mask. You know, I love anything that lights up and tightens the face. So let's get into it. Here is the box it came in. Let's open this. And here is a cute little note. I am loving the packaging already. Let's open that as well. Packaging wise, it's giving clean, premium vibes, very minimalist. Let's open this up. Ooh, okay. We've got the LED light therapy face mask itself. And look at how well it's packaged in the box. And you can actually use the box to store the mask safely after each use. It's super soft and flexible. It's made from food grade silicone, so it should feel gentle on the skin. And this is what I mean when I say it's flexible. Look at how easily it bends. I'm sure it's gonna stay snug in any face shape, and the silicone is so soft it's not gonna hurt you. These are the straps that's gonna hold the mask nice and snug in your face. That's the controller which helps you to change modes of lights, and that's the charging cable. And lastly, we've got a user manual. This has got all the information that you need to know about the face mask and how to properly use it. Charging cable, a controller, and this is what's going to help you choose between different modes and different lights in the face mask. And lastly, we've got these straps to put the face mask in place. You just connect the cable in the face mask to the controller to control it. Long press this button to turn it on. Red light is anti-aging, boosts collagen and reduces wrinkles. Second is the blue light to fight acne. It kills bacteria and calms breakouts. And the third is yellow light to soothe, reduce redness and even out skin tone. Last is the mixed light. It's kind of a combo light that targets multiple concerns at once. So first impression, the design is really lightweight, super sleek, and it has good eye protection built in. Super cute. Now let's break down how all these different colors of LED light work. First is the red light. This is the holy grail for collagen production. It helps with firmness, fine lines, and elasticity. And now second is the blue light. The blue light helps kill acne causing bacteria and controls oil production. So if you're breakout prone, this mode is just for you. Now the third light is yellow light. And this one is meant to boost skin radiance and reduce redness by improving the skin's metabolic process. Great for sensitive skin or post-inflammatory marks. Now last but not least is the purple light. This mode is a combo mode of light. Good if you want a bit of everything from the inflammatory to anti-aging, and suitable for all skin types. Now let's talk about how the remote works. You long press the power button to turn it on. You just keep pressing the power button to change different lights, and while using manual mode you just keep pressing the button to choose your desired mode from different lights. And if you want to choose the automatic mode, you just have to press this button once and you just go to your automatic mode. And when you're using the automatic mode, the mask will automatically time after 3 seconds, and then you get the red lights for 5 minutes, blue lights for 3 minutes, yellow light for 4 minutes, and lastly mixed light for 3 minutes. And then the device automatically shuts down. And remember, when you're using the mask in manual mode, it should be turned off within 15 minutes. You also get a charging cable so that you can charge the device. Perfection for everyday use. And look at this silicone design. That's not there just for your comfort. It also ensures better light diffusion across your skin. Okay, now let me show you exactly how I use it. First of all, make sure your skin is clean and dry, and ensure that there is no products on your skin. This ensures maximum light penetration. I have already attached all the straps to my mask. Now let me put that on. It's super easy to put on. Just make sure it's secure on your skin and your eyes are protected. Now that it's secure on my face, I'm just gonna turn on the lights. Now once it's on, pick your light setting. I'm just gonna put it on auto mode, so that I get benefits from all different lights. And remember, when on auto mode, it just turns off by itself and you will feel zero discomfort. It's non-invasive and totally painless. And I just like to chill when it does its thing. So see you after 15 minutes. Now it's been 15 minutes and it's just the time to take the mask off. Now you just have to simply follow up with your skincare. I like to use something really hydrating. I like to pat my toner in, following it up with the hyaluronic acid serum. Now finishing it off with a really hydrating moisturizer. Now it's all done after you're done with your regular skincare. And lastly, for best results, it is recommended to use this mask 3 to 4 times a week for 4 weeks. And after that, you can use this as needed. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions about this mask. Is this mask waterproof? No, it is not waterproof. You can wipe it with water or some alcohol, but don't rinse it. How long can the LED light therapy mask last on a single charge? So once it's fully charged, you can use it for up to 4 times. Can this light therapy mask be folded? No, it might damage the internal circuits, so don't do that. And is it safe for sensitive skin? Yes, it's non-thermal and the silicone is super gentle. Can we use it with active skincare products? Not during use, but you can go with serums after using the LED mask. And when will we start seeing the results? If you're consistent with the mask, you should start seeing the results within 3 to 4 weeks. And lastly, would I recommend it? When you are buying one, it feels like it's pricey, but then if you're getting similar treatments in a clinic or salon, price of this mask would be similar to couple sessions in the salons or clinics. So definitely I would recommend it. And let me know in the comments which light you would use first. And if you want a 4-week update, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments as well, or you can DM me on Insta. And I will drop the link to the L&L Skin LED face mask below in the description box. And if there is another device you want me to try and test, let me know. See you in my next one. Bye!